Hi guys, Bethany here. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing really great. I'm doing okay. I am here to unbox an order I placed last March. Yeah, I'm pulling from my depths of unboxed things. This is an order from Bellaartdenicole, and I'm just gonna jump right into it. So like I said, I placed this order in March, so they obviously will not have these colors right now. Bellaartdenicole does weekly rotations on their colors. Sometimes they bring back old ones, but it's usually different each week. So this is from a line of rainbow silk trays. So the colors I have here are going to be random, and I'm really excited to see what I have. It's about time I unbox this, right? Okay, so we have a really pretty butterfly sticker. I love that. This is their card. Bellaartdenicole, Jamie and Nicole. It has their website as well as their email and a QR code on the back. Now, if you haven't seen any of my other unboxing videos from Bellaartdenicole, I have quite a few. They are one of my favorite companies. I know Jamie and Nicole personally. I've met them. They're awesome people. Oh, this is gorgeous, you guys. Okay, so I got a little bit of everything. So I have 2 3-divider trays here. Wow. Look at how pretty those are. Those are so pretty. These are silk, so they're a bit smoother than the traditional materials that they use for standard trays. They have their logos on them, and this is really cool with the rainbow because it shows up with another color behind it. Okay, so, ooh, look at this. Okay, so the stopper has different colors on it too. It's just the way that it turned out when they printed it. This is so pretty. Wow, look at the inside. So, oh my goodness, look at the dividers. This is so cool. Okay, so the rainbow filament for this rainbow silk, because it's in a variegated type of wheel color, you're gonna have different colors on the same tray. And this is neat because on the bottom it's a red, but then it turns into like this blue, green, yellow. And on the inside, because of the way that the red is showing through the blue, it actually looks purple. That's cool. And look at how from different angles, totally different colors. I love this. So the 3-divider tray, I go into it a little bit more depth in some of my other videos. If you're interested in seeing how the drills pour out and whatnot, please check those out. You can use 3 different colors in here. You can use 2 different colors. You can use 1 different color. I like to use these. I like to take the dividers out actually and just use it as a tray for 1 color usually. But it kind of depends. If you're working with confetti, a confetti heavy piece, which is a diamond painting which has a bunch of different colors in small amounts, then using this as a 3-sectioned tray is really handy, and you can put labels either on the outside, the inside, the lid. Check out that lid. Ooh, that's almost like orange. Even though I know it's red, that's really pretty. Oh, I like that one. I like that part. This other one is, ooh, it has a golden yellow on the bottom, a red in the middle, and a purple on the top. That is gorgeous. Ooh-hoo! I love it. What do you guys think? So those are my 3 divider trays that I got. I also ordered some, actually, you know what? I'm going to save these for last. Those are multi-placers. Let's go ahead and get into the rest of these trays. I really just got to see what these look like. I ordered 2 max trays. I think at the time they had a max purchase of 2 per variant. So I was able to get 2 3 dividers, 2 max, and 2 large. I didn't get any smalls because I don't use them that often, and I have a few in other colors that I like. So I decided just to go with the ones that I use the most. Plus, I mean, they're not cheap, you guys, so I had to be a little bit more budget friendly as I can be, but I couldn't pass these. Look at the color on that on the side. That's pretty. All right, this is another one. Well, man, you know what? They're all so different. They're all so different. Like this has gold on the bottom, but it has purple and green in the middle, and then it has this reddish color on the top. You have a tray stopper, which is nice. Look at that color coming through there. That is so pretty. I love that. I really love that. There's this part where there's some filament stuck in there. I'm going to clean that out a little bit, I think. I was hoping I would be able to just kind of do it right now, but it doesn't seem to quite be one. I might need to get out a tool to do that. Come on. It really wants to come out. I think if I just pull out one of my tweezers, I'll be able to pop that right off. Actually, you know what I have? I have some scissors right here. Some sharp scissors. Yep, see? See how easy that was? I knew it would be. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. Max trays are nice because they have a lot of space for diamond painting. And I really like the silk trays in all colors, but hello, rainbow, this is so pretty. I like the silk trays that Bellaartdenicole has because the drills slide really smooth. Now I think for some people I could see how it could be frustrating because they move really easily, but I like that. For me it works really well the way that, oh my goodness, look at that color coming through on there. That is so cool. I think that's the thing I like most about the rainbow is how their logo turns out, because it really shows up the pattern of the butterfly there on their Bellaartdenicole. Oh, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. I love it. Woohoo! Oh, this is a gorgeous one. Ooh. Yes. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Oh my, that is just so pretty. Look at that. Look at those, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's open up the larges. These are pretty. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at these. Wow. Wow. These are gorgeous. So their current version of their trays comes with a little stopper. You can pour out the drills. They have a slope in there so that if you do not happen to have the stopper in, it's not very likely that the drills will fall out. They still could. They could still fall out just like this. Especially if you get some staticky ones that are just kind of jumping everywhere, you know? But this is really nice. Another feature that I noticed with these is the last row here, and it's this way with all of these. This last row here is a little bit shorter than these other ones, and that's really great because the drills will not get stuck as they're coming out on this corner. Because if you have any other trays, if you look and if they're straight across, if this last row this last ridge here is the same length as these other ones, you'll probably notice that the drills get stuck there in those corners quite easily. Not the case with these. And they're also slanted this way too, which makes pouring awesome. I tell you what. Okay, now that I've mentioned this, now I gotta go check on all these to make sure. Yeah. I said that they were all that way, but maybe they're not. This one isn't. So man, the way that stands out on that one is so cool. Yeah, I was wrong. The Max ones, at least on these ones, are not that way. Oh, I'm holding a stopper in my hands. So when it comes time to pour out the drills, you can just put the lid on, pull out the stopper, shake it into whatever container you're have a firm grip on it just in case, but shake it into your container and it's good to go. Of course, it helps if you put the stopper back in the proper way. Ooh, that's so pretty. That is pretty. I love it. Wow. Ooh, these are going to be a lot of fun to diamond paint with. I already know it. Okay. Now, I go through the multi-placers pretty fast because they're 3D printed. It's not like they're stainless steel or anything. So, and I'm not a hard presser, but I do notice if you don't, sometimes if you don't quite place it on there quite right, it's easy to get chips. It's easy to chip them. So, or maybe, I've also put too much wax in them sometimes. These things happen. So and these are inexpensive. I don't remember off the top of my head how much they are, but these are really inexpensive. So it's totally worth it. And, just have to replace them once in a while. So this looks like a straight and skinny. This is a 9 placer. This is a really pretty pink. I wasn't prepared. I could have looked back through my order history and found out the descriptions, the colors of all these, what exactly placers I did get. But you guys, I actually have 3 other orders from Bellaartdenicole that I purchased over the early summer months, I think. And so this is all kind of a surprise to me, and I kind of was okay with that. I like being surprised, but as soon as I saw these, I knew exactly what they were, the silky rainbow trays. But since I have a few other orders also, I might not have been able to figure out which was which. So and plus, having to dig back through emails or I don't know if it shows previous orders on the account page when you log in to Bellaartdenicole. That's something I'll have to look into. So I don't know the exact name of this color, but it's really pretty. It's like a bright pink color. So I also have a regular straight. This is a straight and skinny, and you can see the difference. This is definitely skinnier than this. So this is just the regular multi-placer. This is a 6 placer. This is a really pretty orange color. This is probably their black. It almost looks like a transparent blue, but I think it's their black, and that's a straight and skinny also. That is a 6 placer. This is a 4 placer. This is no, straight and skinny. I say it doesn't look as skinny as the other ones, but it's definitely skinnier than that one. So we have another straight and skinny. That is a 4 placer. That's a really pretty lavender lilac color. I like that one. And here's a red 4 placer. That looks regular. That looks regular. Is there a difference? Ooh, I'm not sure. Maybe it's skinny too. Yeah, it must be. All right, so you have 2 4 placers. One this purple and one this red. Very cool. Oh, what a fabulous order. Thanks again to Bellaartdenicole for making wonderful products. And please, you guys, if you haven't checked them out, please go check them out. Like I said, every week they have different colors, and they're constantly coming out with different designs for their cover minders and new things. I actually have an unboxing here to do very soon, once I get around to it, of their Bella scroll. That is a container system for diamond painting, and I was on a list for that, and mine came. I gotta unbox that. I really want to see it, but it's probably going to be a few weeks still because I got other things that I'm doing, and I'm going to go diamond paint with these trays right now. They're so pretty. Thanks for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up on your way out, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.